I want to share some culinary vocabulary. Culinary means cooking. As a verb, chop, peel. This is also called the peel or the peeling. Peel. You've got the unvoiced p sound and it rhymes with heel. Peel. Slice. Dice. Almost like chopping, but you're cutting into cube shape. When we heat liquids on the stove, we can simmer or boil. If we increase our heat, we get a fast bubbling boil. This is called a rolling boil. Simmer is just below the boiling point. It's slower and only a few smaller bubbles. Simmer. Our last word is broil. Sounds like boil, but with the BR consonant blend. Broil. And when we use a very high heat in the oven to make our food toasty and crispy on top, we broil it. Broil. Peel, chop, slice, dice, simmer, boil, broil.